That's my one.
So basically, guys, I just explained to Kimmy, in Venice, right, it was like dark, it got dark about 9 p.m. And in the Dolomites, so we went up a bit to the Dolomites, it was getting dark about 10 past 9. Now we're heading down, so we're going to Milan, it might get dark, 8:45. And then we go down to Rome, it might get dark at like 8:30. And then we're going down to Naples. That might get dark at 8. That's the thing, so it's just changing all the time.
I would quite notice. I would notice that Dolomites it was like dark, like 10.
Wasn't it?
Yeah, like 8, 9:40. It was still bright.
Yeah, it was clearly lighter in Dolomites compared to Venice, wasn't it?
Yes, I was thinking like one point like nearly 10ish, and like still bright. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, it's just going to be a trip because every couple of days it's going to be getting darker later. So like Dolomites, it got darker like 9:30, and then when we're in Naples, like 5 days, we'll be in Naples, and then it might be dark by like 8:30. Such a trip, even though we're the same country.
Let's see what happens. Okay.
Yeah, we will.
So we are officially left Venice, and now we are in where is it? Milan. Milan. With my bag. We are now in the train station. I'm trying to find where our hotel. So we are in Milan. Now we are in Airbnb right now. And such a nice hotel, such a good, nice vibe and.
You got everything in your bag, yeah?
Charger. Did you put charger?
I don't know.
So basically, I was in the Venice, in the shopping mall there. There's a like one mom and two daughter. We were in the toilet, and you know how she opened the toilet door, all that kind of stuff, everything. She take the tissue out from the bag. And then the two girls like just come in, and then she just like do a jar like this.
What two girls? You mean like her daughters?
Yeah. And then she waiting, and then as soon as the girls came out, how stressful, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I feel bad, because obviously she got obsessed with the clean stuff,
Sounds like it, doesn't it?
Yeah, but we are here.
French, yeah. We are in. So guys, we just got to Duomo. This officer says we now need to buy tickets to get inside, okay? I'll let you know when we get there.
I will let you know when we get there. Bye!
Vittorio, Emanuele.
So we are at the moment in Milan, in front of the cathedral. Yeah, there's just so many people. I find out so many people. There's just so many people doing the vlog. So I might do it as well. Huh? Wow.
back bit.
Where?
You want me to follow you? Let me record you?
No,
Sure?
it's okay. Yeah.
Sure? I thought that was a French baguette for a sec.
What?
I thought he had a French baguette in his hand for a sec. I just saw the top bit. Oh, that's weird. Lady in Boots is basically, it's actually the blonde one.
Yeah, but. Such a beautiful.
Ambient.
Yeah. Babe, don't you, babe?
What's the drama?
What? Do you want to buy a headphone for me?
Let's go have a look, shall we?
Oh my goodness! He said he's gonna buy a headphone.
Open only downstairs.
This one decoration.
Yes.
Ah.
You took that.
Fool us, fool us. So basically, he said he's gonna buy a headphone for me. See what happens.
Wouldn't you rather buy them in Norwich though? Yeah, but the thing is, maybe I can't afford to take us to the Dolomites if I buy these headphones.
So we are here in Apple Store in Milan.
So stupid. No.
Oh, it's better than bad. Look at my top.
Your cup looks nice there, doesn't it?
Quick vlog update. We are here to Milan restaurant. This is a proper local restaurant. They just only Italian. So I don't know what we ordered, but see what happened. Only in the like fire, I think.
Yeah,
Anything?
oven. Yeah, everyone's got a pizza oven. I'm gonna give that a sec so I can feel how hot that is.
Why is this?
Let me film you. How is it?
I think this is part of spaghetti or something, like pasta.
Well, where's the pasta?
I think that this all is pasta. I think.
Do you think?
Yeah. Actually left Milan. Now we are heading to Florence. Actually don't have any plan this journey. So now we are making the plan where we're gonna go. So we are here, Florence.
Head high and shoulders back.
So basically we had a little argue earlier as Jamie being selfish again.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then now we are heading to, we literally don't have any plan. So we are heading to, where do you know where we're heading to?
So we're gonna go to the cathedral first, the Duomo.
Yes.
And then we're
No.
gonna go to a museum.
Which museum? Is it famous?
Yeah. There's two famous museums. There's one with David. Do you know the statue of David? The guy with his dick out. A really famous statue. But that apparently that museum's usually sold out like weeks in advance.
Oh my goodness,
So we're probably
really?
not gonna be able to get a ticket. But I think this Uffizi one we should be able to.
Alright. Can we get a tram?
Let's see how far the Duomo, because we should be in the city centre.
And then
It's 800 metres, should we walk?
yeah. But very similar.
All of the onion shit.
Yeah, there's like on pasta, gnocchi, ravioli, spaghetti.
Yeah, is that all real?
Linguine. I think so.
Which real?
Beautiful. It's your shoes.
Your dad's different to your mum's. You're showing your dad this and your dad's just looking like... Bless him. I know he's impressed, but he's just in a quiet way.
Ooh. But my dad had a person, yeah?
Right. What's up?
My foot's so wet. But it's alright, don't come from practice. But look,
Really good, isn't it? This door is a copy of the real ones in the museum. So you can't really notice it. It all looks like the same style, doesn't it, to me? But from what I read, it began as a Gothic style cathedral, and by the end it was more of a Renaissance style.
how long does it take?
So you talk 700-800 years ago, they started building this. And it started in a Gothic style, which was the style at the time. But because obviously it took hundreds of years to complete it. So as it became closer to completion, they changed the style of it, and it's more of a Renaissance style at the top.
What do you think?
Nice. Yeah. The ham's not that good, is it? That's why I wanted the chicken.
I don't think chicken really looks shit, to be honest.
That much cheese though. It's more of a ham board, isn't it? It's okay.
Babe, if I live in Italia, I would love to talk about it.
Must be ham.
Yeah, definitely. Quick one. Yeah.
That one, we're not
Wait, do you need sunglasses? Yeah, I want to. Where's my cocktail there?
Where's the rest of my beer? Did she drink it on the way?
It's not acceptable. This is
Okay.
not acceptable.
So sick of not getting full beer.
No? Cheers!
One more.
Let's taste, shall we? It looks like this.
Oh, it's closed on that day.
Great.
River that way, I think. Okay.
Really? You said that you're like really far.
Well, we walked for ages. Oh, I feel better now. Oh, grazie. I don't have change.
Hier werkt mij nou, ben ik weer nou. Ah, it's okay, baby.
I understand. Like with the breath. You wanna? I'm fine.